Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're installing the JXR Performance Tail Lights on our 2022 WRX. I'm not entirely sure which style I'm going to pick yet. This is the red bar with a clear lens. I have all the styles, so we're going to take a look at all of them. But this is my 2022 WRX. These fit the 2022 Plus WRX. They're completely plug and play. They come with absolutely everything you need. You just literally plug them in. So I'll show you guys the full install. We'll do some B-roll. We'll look at it outside, and we'll get them lit up at night so you guys can see what they look like there. Lots of cool stuff coming to JXR Performance and to this channel. Be sure that you're subscribed, and I'll put a link in the description for you guys and a discount so you can save a little bit of money for being a subscriber of this channel if you want to install these on your car. But without further ado, let's get these on the car. But wait, let's actually pick the color that we're going with. I have 3 different colors. I really wasn't sure which one I wanted to go with, so let's start by doing that. Okay, so this is option 1. This is our red bar clear lens. This is the stock. This is what the number 1 looks like. So this is the first one. We'll try to do this without the reflection so you guys can see. But it's pronounced. It's got some smoke to it. It's also clear lens, so it's not too dark. Nice addition to the car. I got the white bar smoked lens to show you guys. Now, I thought maybe it could work on the car. I'm thinking now for the red WRX, this isn't the best option. I know there's a lot of glare guys, but you guys can kind of see what's happening here. We'll take a look at it on the car, but I'm not sure this is the right fit for this car. Yeah, we'll show it on the car so you guys can take a look. Here's the red bar with the smoke lens. It's got the white accents, it's got the red bar, but we got enough smoke that it really brings down the rear of the car. I think honestly, this is gonna be what we end up using, in my opinion. I'm pretty confident this is what we'll end up using. I know that there's a lot of reflection. We'll have to look at it outside installed so you guys can tell, but I do like this. I do like the idea of kind of blacking out, not blacking out, it's not that smoked, but really darkening the rear of this car. So let's get them all installed and we'll see which one looks best. We're gonna take our trim removal tool. We're gonna be very careful up top and we're gonna pop this out. Whole thing comes out like that. Pretty easy to do. Then there are 2 10mm bolts. We're gonna take both of these 2 out with just a socket, and there's 2 out. Next step, not too bad. We're gonna hold the taillight like this, we're gonna hold it like this, and there's a clip right here that we're just gonna pull the taillight out straight back. Then we're gonna unplug it, and it's out. Few upgrades to highlight here. One thing I wanted to point out that's a big upgrade on this is we have a metal connector here. These break really easily on the stock ones, so we've upgraded to something that's not gonna break on you. Because I'm showing you all the styles, we're gonna install this one, and I'm just gonna show you the install just once, because you don't need to see it all, but we will compare all the different styles on the car so we can choose one. First step, plug in the wiring. Even do it one-handed. Wiring's plugged in. Everything is water protected and everything is wrapped on this, so you're good to go, just in case there is any water penetration. And then you're gonna line this up. Grommet, grommet. Grommet, grommet. We're just gonna push it all in together. Once you get it like this, we're gonna screw it in. Start by lining up the screws. I like to just use this as a hand tool. Plastic goes in. I like to go in forward first. Snaps in. Then this pin goes in here. Like that, push it in. Because we're swapping this out later, I'm gonna leave the pin out. Push the pin in and you're done. Here we have the white bar with the smoked lens. This thing looks mean. You can get this in the normal style and the RGB, but look at that. Even on the red WRX, I've gotta say, it's clean. Now I've wiped it down with a microfiber. You know it has a good gloss coat because you can see me waving. Hey. But yeah, that thing looks good. Look at that. And here we have the smoked lens red bar. This thing looks absolutely mean. Also wiped this down with microfiber, which means all you can do is basically see me in the reflection. This thing is nuts how good it looks. It's my VA. Yeah, that's bad. I gotta fix that. Look at this though. Man, does this thing look good. This is probably the style that I'm gonna go with. And here we have the red bar with the clear lens. Now this looks mean. I personally think on the red WRX, it's not as nice as the smoked because the smoked has continuity, but man, with a little bit of shine on this one, like I did with the polish, that's a clean looking taillight right there. Look at that. It finishes up quite well. Great gloss coat. Obviously all the reflection you're seeing is just because there's such a strong gloss coat on it. Even the smoke has a strong gloss coat. It just protects the taillight and the lens over time. Look at that. Looks pretty dang good. I have a link in the description below for you guys. I'm going to keep the smoked, I think. I think they just look the best, but we'll run them for a couple months and see what I think. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.